Hey guys, welcome to Happy Home Happy Kitchen. Today I'm making mawa cake. So guys, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, what are you doing? Guys, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so you all will be notified whenever I upload my new video. So let's don't waste the time and get into the recipe. For making mawa cake, we need the following ingredients that are half cup of oil, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 3/4 cup of milk, 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda, half tablespoon of baking powder, 1 cup of maida. So firstly, we want a bowl and a strainer. I'm using small strainer. You can use the bigger ones. In that we'll just sieve the sugar. After sieving the sugar, we'll put 1/4 cup of oil in it and we'll gradually mix it to make a smooth paste. So guys, here our smooth paste is ready. Now we'll sieve maida, baking soda, baking powder. All dry ingredients are sieved. Now we'll put the remaining oil in it. At this moment, we'll gradually put the milk and mix it to make a smooth batter. So guys, here our cake batter is all ready. Now for baking the cake, we need a big bowl, cake stand, and we'll just cover the lid for about 10 minutes on low flame. Now we have to grease the cake mold. I'm placing a normal paper. You can also use butter paper or drawing paper. Here our cake mold is ready. Now I'll put cake batter in it for baking the cake. Now we'll do tap, tap, tap. So guys, here 10 minutes are completed. Now I'll place cake mold in it and cover it with the help of lid on low flame. So guys, after 40 minutes you can see the result.
As you can see, the cake has started to leave its sides and it's the right time to take the cake out and keep it for rest for about 10 minutes. And now, for unmolding the cake, for safer side, we will once use the knife along the edges and take the cake out. And here a yummy and delicious cake is ready to be served. If you try this recipe, do not forget to share the images with me on my Instagram. I'll leave the link in my description box. Also guys, if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Also share this recipe with your friends and family. So guys, you can see how our cake is turned out. Also guys, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe for more such amazing recipes. Till then, take care, bye and happy cooking!